Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's 21J-Man here, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Sorry about my feet getting in the way there. Anyway, yeah, today we are going to be looking at some stuff that I got at Best Buy and stuff for Black Friday. Since obviously Black Friday literally happened not way too long. Literally today is Black Friday as the time of recording this, and maybe uploading this. I might either upload this today or tomorrow. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah. Got a couple of this stuff on Black Friday and a couple of this stuff on Thanksgiving. And yeah, and I'm really happy with all of this. So yeah, anyway, let's just get started. Okay, first things first. Let's go to the keyboard that I got for my PC. It is the Corsair K55 RGB. Sorry, the light reflection is a little bad here. But yeah, that is the keyboard that I've got. It's RGB, multicolor. I'm pretty sure this is fully mechanical because this was on sale for like $38. So it was like $12 off. If I can like see if it can focus here on the lettering. No, whatever. Anyway, yeah, it's just a really basic mechanical keyboard. The Corsair that I'm going to be using for my little gaming and music production setup, since I'm actually going to end up doing more music production things with my PC. So, next thing is the mouse. I have a Logitech Hyperion Fury G402. This is an older model. They have the G52 out, but this is like one of their older models. But it's usually like $60. But this was on sale for $20. So I decided that's a great deal. I'm gonna get that. And speaking of Logitech, I'm gonna go on to the next thing. And yeah, this is a pretty good mouse. I don't really know much about mice, but yeah, I'm gonna sit that right on top of the keyboard. Now I've got my Logitech. Let me pick this up for a second. Speakers. They are the Z533s. And these are absolutely I've heard those are absolutely fantastic speakers. There's the subwoofer and then the two speakers. They've got like a little gold accent to them, which I really like. And yeah, basically it's just a pretty nice speakers. I'm going to be using these as my beginner music production things, as well as just my gaming speakers if I do much gaming on there. And yeah. The last thing is a 27-inch Acer monitor that was $100 off. $100 off. Yeah, it was $100 off. And yeah, anyway, it's a 1080p monitor. It's not much else. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye.